Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Goober Gutz from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing a large circle for the shape of the head. Now let's add the bandana. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And the same thing underneath. Now for the end of the bandana, let's start on the right side and let's draw a bump out. And then add a line in the middle. Now for the ends of the bandana, let's start on top and let's draw a curve up. And another one underneath, meeting at a point. And let's do the same thing going down underneath. And let's add a curve inside, each one at the bottom. Now that we're done the bandana, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same thing on the right side, like this. Now let's add another curve inside each one to add a border. Next, inside each eye, let's draw the X shape by drawing two curves up near the top. And then two underneath. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve up and across. And then let's curve it back in underneath each side. And close it off with another curve across. Now inside the mouth, let's add another curve across in the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the zipper. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves down. And a curve across the bottom. Now inside this section, let's add a circle at the bottom here. And another one inside. Now inside this top section, let's draw a curve down. Continue it below, under the bandana, and then all the way to the bottom under the mouth. And then starting from the top, let's draw some stitch lines across. Next, let's move back up to the top and let's draw the end of the zipper by drawing a V-shaped point out. Two angles. And the same thing underneath. And then close off the end of each side of the W. Lastly, for the zipper, at the top here, let's draw a dotted line around and back up on the right side. And that's it for the zipper. Lastly, for the head here, let's draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back down. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with two small curves down. And then curve them outwards. Now underneath, let's draw a large oval on each side for the feet. And then in between, let's add a bump for the bottom of the body. Next, let's hop inside the body, and at the top, let's draw a wavy line around and back up. And then add another wavy line inside. Next, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start under the head and let's draw a long curve down and out on each side. Then let's add a bump up for the thumbs. Now let's add another curve up and bring it down. And then curve it back in to close off each arm. And that's it for Goober Gutz. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!